On this video, you'll learn how to enable easy mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So easy mode simply enlarges everything on your screen, thereby making it easier for someone to be able to navigate through it. So the first step when it comes to enabling easy mode is to just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option display. From display, you're then going to look for easy mode and you're going to tap on it. In order for you to enable it, you're just going to tap on the toggle once and it will be turned on. And you can see everything has been successfully enlarged and been made bold so that easy mode has been, to show that easy mode has been successfully enabled. And now when you navigate through everything, you can see everything has also been increased in size. You can even have a quick contacts page here so that if you ever want to talk to someone, whether it's a message or phone call, you can just add a contact there and you can be able to access them easily. If you want to view all your apps, you can tap on this apps screen button down here. You can see all the apps that are available for you to use. Alternatively, you could always just swipe up to view the apps drawer on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. And you can see even the app page for your apps drawer have been increased in size so that again, it's easier for you to see. And so that's how you can enable easy mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.